Ministry life can look so beautiful on the outside, but sometimes behind the sermons, behind the travels and serving others, our marriages can feel distant, lonely, and even empty. I know because I've been there. But I've also learned that God can restore what busyness, distance, and silence try to steal from us. So I am inviting you to join me on my new series, Lonely Behind the Pulpit. It is going to be real talk, no fluff, real talk, real hope for couples in ministry who want more than just surviving, but thriving, connected, and deeply in love again. Your marriage story isn't over. It is not over. Let's write the next chapter together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to follow the series. It's going to be on every Friday, 6 p.m. GMT +1. Healing and hope are possible.